is the reason of our time. It may even be the reason for our existence. To love is to know love, is to integrate in beginning experience. Despite our great discoveries and not insight, love remains non-mystery to us. Yet, it is something that is so complex in that it guides into our lives. Knowing true love is being a state that is not along with. It is a close to heaven as we are likely to get into life. Without it, our life lies to mainly gradually with understanding and insight. What is this sincerity called love? Poet, lover, and scholars down the ages have tried to capture it, define it, to defeat it, and try to analyze it. Above all, they have sought to understand it. This is about or anti-emotion to simply pass to us or something far more substantial. Amazingly, might the word of love be the word of love be a vital energy as important as life itself. It is possible that love may even literally make the world go around. Love is the center. Love is the center of our life. It is the objective of our life. Our well-being, health, and happiness remains to light upon our diet, our fitness, and our health. Yet, none of these things mean anything without love. Love will make us flow and transform our lives. To be unloved turns us painfully into a being without purpose and direction. Isn't it true that love is the big force that unites us to our family and relationships? Parents will care for a child simply because they own it. They care for the child because of and through love. We are united to our siblings and our families because not through duty but through love. The same feeling extends upward to our friends and even to our neighbors. It is the force that enables us to form and live in community. It becomes clear very quickly that someone is the public of our society. It is the fuel. It is the driving force in India. All rolled into one. Without it, would we do one single thing for another? We allow after nothing in return, but one only to give. Where there is love, there is harmony and balance in the world. Where it is absent, there is misunderstanding, hatred, jealousy, fear, and jealousy. Look at the troubles in the world. Who could say that it's not just there? The game, the party, it was easy when it comes immediately. Unconditional love has nothing to do with sex. It's literature and sublimation. Real love will not allow the team to operate in action. To love unconditionally is to be completely selfless and focused on others. To be unloved is to be misunderstood and to be hurt. It is to suffer the loneliest of all things. It is to be less than human, uncomparable, and disconnected from the world. Love is the force that inspires us and drives us forward. When we love to do something, don't we do it with passion, with care, or with shadow? So much has been achieved in the world through love and the passion and commitment is worth inside us. To be out of love, to be at the bottom of despair and delight. Just as the world suffers in the same way, Now, in respect, if the gender disappears, when we hurt, destroy each other, and exploit our lives, are we doing back on the sources of the very energy that is our world? Can you think of one conflict that when it resolved, if love was allowed to that is being complete selfless, it is surrendering energy to powerful that some concept embodies throughout the world today. Values and hate for love is taking up peace and competing with love. Love requires tolerance. The need, fear, and fear. It is not visual meaning, it is a fact. Yes, it is something that, yes, sometimes we let love out our time thinking that we can survive without it.